It's turkey time, and I've got some of my chef's secret methods to cooking up your best bird yet. It all starts with picking the right turkey for you, and M&S have got lots of options. Choose a prepared joint just like this if you want something low fuss but maximum flavour, as they're quick to cook and easy to carve. Or, if you're low on oven space and only having a few people round, why not try a crown? M&S have done all the hard work for you on this slow-cooked one. So all you have to do is bung it in the oven and it comes out super juicy and succulent. If you want to go traditional, try a whole bird. I like to brine my turkey the day before for ultimate succulence. Make your brine by using a ratio of 5% salt to water, and then add some bay leaves, juniper berries, and some rosemary for flavour. And leave the turkey to brine for 8 hours, depending on the size of your bird. You need to add your turkey to a roasting tray that's on top of a trivet of onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. The great thing about this veg is it's going to come into great use because it's going to give us lots of flavour and act as a base for our gravy. And always rub the bird with some olive oil or butter and season liberally with salt and pepper. Then that goes into the oven. Just look at that. Make sure you rest with a piece of foil over the bird for at least 45 minutes before carving. And then to carve, remove the legs first, and then carve the breast meat into slices just like this. You can do them as thick or as thin as you like, and then plate them all up onto your serving platter. And there you have it. Let me know if you try my tips for your Christmas day.